Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew again. I know 2 videos today. Can you believe your luck? I mean, my goodness. So let's continue our work here with adding a 2-digit number like 35 plus a 1-digit number like 7, okay? But this time there's going to be regrouping in the ones place. Say what, Mr. McAndrew? You heard me. All right, so let's take a look. So for example, what if you had $37 in your piggy bank and you did the dishes for a week? I don't know, you did something. You earned some chores and you got $5. Okay, so let's take a look. So again, I've got my just blank place, dry erase sleeve. I'm going to put right 10s up here, 1s over here. Okay, I'm going to draw a dotted line in the middle, and let's take a look. So we have $37. Let's represent that. My 10s place, 30, and then 7. Let's see how many I have here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's $37. Okay, now I need to add $5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, because there's no 10s, right, in $5. It's just $5, 5 ones. Okay, so if we start to add this up, we see that there becomes a problem, okay, which is this. So look, here, there's no problem in the 10s place. I've got 3 10s, that's $30. But in the 1s place, I have $5 here and $7 here. If I put all those together, that ends up giving me $12. Okay? Now, I can't put 12 ones in the ones place. It's like a rule that you could, but you can't write it out that way, because what would you do? Say $30 here, $12 here. It's not 3012, right? So that's kind of confusing. So what we do is if we have more than $9, okay, then if we can make a 10, then we do. And we could make a 10. We've got 7 ones here, and if I bring 3 of these ones up, then we've got 10 ones. And I can turn that into 110. So I'm going to add a 10 and take these away, okay? This is called regrouping, all right? I could put them here, but what I'm doing is taking away the 10 ones and then adding 110. So those 10 ones become this right here. When your parents are doing this, they call it carrying the 1. We call it regrouping the ones to a higher place value. Okay? I know. It's the new math, right? What can you say? What can you do? So, but now you can see, all right, so we actually have 4 10s, which is $40, and 2 1s. Okay? So that gives us $42. All right? And that's what we would do to regroup. So let's give you some practice with this. Okay, so just like yesterday, I would like you to just get your dry erase sleeve. Not yesterday, today. You should already have it out. You need your place value pieces. You should already have the stuff out anyways. So let me give you a problem to work on, and then I'll review it with you, okay? All right, boys and girls. So I've already put out a problem down. If we were adding $48, right, there's your dollar sign, plus $4, so here's your 48, and here's your $4, what would you get for an answer? You're going to need to regroup in the ones place. All right, so try it out, see what you get, and so you're going to need to pause the video, right? I told you that's important to do. So you do it on your own, and then when you come back, I'll review it and see how you did. All right, I'll see you in a couple minutes. All right, well, hello, welcome back. How did it go? Let's see, did you do something like this? Did you say, okay, I've got 8 ones here and 4 ones here. So if I put those together, that gives me too many ones. But what I could do is I could regroup 10 of them to make it into another 10. In other words, if these were dollar bills, boys and girls, I could pick up 10 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I could exchange them for a $10 bill, which is gonna look like this. Okay, so there we go. So now we can add them up, and we can see that in the 10th place, we now have the 4 10s we started with from 48 plus this extra one right here. So that gives us 5 10s or $50. And over here we just have $2 remaining. So 50 plus $2 would give us $52. 5 10s and 2 1s. Oh, it's hard to see that, sorry, with the light. Okay? All right. So that's how it would look with place value, using the manipulatives. It takes a while. It's not very fast. Sometimes, like, especially when there's a lot of ones, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to show you what this would look like with the drawings again, and give you some more practice with that. And then you should be good to go for tomorrow's independent practice when you do it on your own. Okay? All right. So I'll be right back. Well, hello. All right. So you can put, for now, you can put away your place value pieces, okay, and erase your dry erase board so that you just have, I know it's kind of back and forth, sorry about that, but at this point, you just need this paper again, okay, and your dry erase sleeve, and you've got your marker and your eraser, and you're ready to go, okay? So I'm going to show you what it would look like if I just drew it. All right. So to draw it, what was the problem? It was 48 plus. I'm going to take away the dollar signs and just make it easier. $48 plus $4. Okay. So to draw it, just like we did before, I would do 4 10s to show 48, and 1, 2, 3, and 8 1s. Okay, and you can see there's a little dotted line here. Down here, I'm going to put $4. There's no 10s in 4, but there are 4 1s. Okay, so here, the way we can draw this is I'm going to circle 10 of the 1s. So there's 8 here. Oops, dropped something. There's 8 here, and then I'm going to circle 2 of these. Okay, and then draw a little arrow and add another 10. So that's showing that I'm regrouping these 10 1s into one 10, just like I did with the base 10 pieces. Okay. All right. So now I am ready to add up. So how many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 10s, which gives me 50, and I have 2 1s remaining, so that gives me 2, and 50 plus 2 equals 52. 48 plus 4 is the same as 52. Okay? All right, so that's how you would do it. I'm going to give you a problem right now to try drawing it out. And I would like you to pause the video and I would like you to try it. If you need to go back and watch what I just did, that's fine. And when you come back, we'll do it together. So what I would like you to do is this problem. Excuse me. I want you to do 66 plus 7. Excuse me. All right, try that problem. Okay, pause the video right now. And when you come back and hit the play button, we'll go over it together. All right, see you in a minute. Bye-bye. All right, welcome back. Did you do the problem? If you didn't, hit the pause button and try it right now. Yes, I'm talking to you. Okay, all right. So here we go. $66. I'm going to represent that as 6 10s and 6 1s. Okay, so that was at 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 66. And we have 7. Okay, so 7 would be 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 66 plus 7. All right, so what we want to do is we want to regroup because we have enough ones to regroup to a 10. And anytime you can regroup, you want to go ahead and do that. So let's say I have 6 here. So if I take these 6 and 4 from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, if I take those and I bring them over here, I can add another 10. Okay? So it looks like now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 10s. Okay? 7 10s, which gives me 70. And I still have 3 1s left over. So that's 3. And if I add those up, I get 73. Okay? So that's how I would have done it. Raise your hand if you got 73. All right, excellent job. Raise your hand if you did your best but did not get 73. All right, your brain's growing. Raise your hand if you made a mistake but you learned from it. All right, excellent. We're going to do one more quick one, and then you should be good to go, okay, for tomorrow. All right, this one I want you to do, let's do 54 plus 8, okay? You're going to pause the video. That's right, I'm talking to all of you. Pause the video, try it out, and come back in a little bit. All right, so if you didn't already try the problem, pause the video and do it now. All right, if you did, then what was your answer? Raise your hand if you got 61. Raise your hand if you got 62. Raise your hand if you got 63. It's one of those answers, so let's find out, okay? So I have 54 plus 8, okay, so 5 10s plus 4 1s, and here I have my 8 1s. If I go to add up my 1s, you'll notice that I have a lot of 1s, right? So I could take these 8 and 2 of these to make 10 1s, and add another 10 right here. So those 10 1s become 110. And now I've got 2 1s left over. And how many 10s do I have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 from the 50 plus the extra one that I took from the 10 1s. That gives me 6 10s, or 60. So 60 plus 2 equals 62. That's easy, right? Okay. All right, boys and girls. So tomorrow, you will have some problems to do. They will look like this. Okay, so it'll look. Oh, sorry about that. Hold on a second. All right, that's more like it. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have 3 problems where you do not have to regroup. Okay, so the first 3 problems you won't, and then you'll notice starting with number 4, you will have to regroup. Okay, so it's the same chart we were just using, just a little bit smaller. Okay, so you'll have a total of 6 problems tomorrow to work on. It says Tuesday practice. Also, boys and girls, if using the place value pieces is helpful to you, right, using these, then by all means go ahead and use them. Okay, these are fantastic, and if they help you, that's great. Go ahead and use them, but also draw it out on the paper so your teacher can check your work and see how you're doing. All right? Okay, boys and girls, great job. I will see you soon, and next time we'll be doing 2-digit numbers plus 2-digit numbers, like 56 plus 39, things like that. I mean, it's awesome. It's amazing. You're amazing. Be good, be safe, be kind, and do a good job, and I'll see you soon. All right? Bye-bye.